Alright, what I've noticed when I'm doing the Open Athens linking is that for the service level, which is basically going to electronic collection, collection name, and we're going to do Infobase ebooks literature, and then selecting edit collection, or you can click edit service. Either way, that takes you to this page, and from here, let's see, if we do linking, you'll notice it says proxy enabled no. Let's see, that's odd. Okay, let's go back here. Let's do edit collection, additional. Okay, and it says proxy enabled yes, proxy selected Open Athens. If I click on one of the portfolio list titles, like Edgar Allan Poe, let's do that one. We're going to do edit portfolio. You remember it said proxy enabled yes and proxy selected Open Athens. You need to have that selected on this page here under electronic portfolio editor. This page here needs to match this page, the electronic collection editor page. So here on electronic collection editor, it also says proxy enabled yes and proxy selected Open Athens. So what will happen is if we are, let's look at this one, Edgar Allan Poe. If we want to test access on this, since those two match, it's going to redirect you to prompt your, it will prompt you for your Gordon State username and password. Let's look at one where they don't match. So let's look at The Tempest. Okay, they don't match, and it gets you to this authentication page for Infobase. We don't want it to link you there. And so the way to fix that is to go to Edit Portfolio and Linking, and make sure this says yes, and it also says Open Athens. We're going to save it. Alright, and then we're going to test access and make sure it works. Okay, and then you want to see this page right here. So that one's good. So basically, again, if you're at the electronic portfolio editor and it says proxy enabled yes, proxy selected Open Athens, and it also says the same thing on the electronic collection editor page, proxy enabled yes and proxy selected Open Athens, then everything should work as it should.